Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows Security app is not opening in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your Windows Security app is not running. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can do, you can try to reset your Windows Security app. Now to do this, just simply press the start button, then click on settings to open your settings app. And here, just go to system components. And here you must see the option of Windows Security. You must see Windows Security section here. Just click on these three dots, right side of the Windows Security app. Click on Advanced Options. Just scroll down. You must see the option of Reset, Repair, or Reset. So the very first thing you can try to repair your Windows Security app. So if there will be any temporary glitch, it will be fixed in the steps. After that, you may not get the issue. Or you can also try to reset your app. Just click on reset, then click on reset again. So it will completely reset your Windows Security app. And once you have reset it, you have to go to Windows Security app again. Then you have to check if it's running or not. So this time your app will be run. You will not get that issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so just right click on the start button, then click on run. Now in run section, you just have to enter this services.msc. You just have to write this here. Once you have written it, click on OK. You might see at this type interface. You just have to scroll down and look for security here. So here's the security center. You just have to right click on it and then click on restart. If you are see that it's running, so it means that your Windows security service is running. You cannot restart it. Or if it's not running, so you just have to start it from here. You can also try to restart. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings, go to Windows Update, and here just try to check for updates. So it will check if there will be any pending latest update for your Windows. It will be get download or install on your PC. So after that, you will not get that issue. So after updating your PC, you just have to try to restart your PC. Just click on this power button, then click on this power button here. Click on restart, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed. You will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.